Now you've seen us, we screwed off everything. We have that 2-inch depth that we need. That's where our drain's going to be. We've cut off all the, on this side, it's a bit steeper over here, but it's all going to run to there. So this is floating to here and that goes downhill to there. And then that goes this way. So we're putting in all this wood and going to the trouble of pre-drilling it because I had such a hard time with how hard the wood was. Anyway, we'll come back to you when we get ready to put in the plywood. Let me see that. So we're getting ready to put the rubber in and therefore the drain also. The first part is this unscrews so you can adjust it to the height you want. But we've got to cut a hole for this to sit down in. It has these little edges. So what I did was turn it upside down, marked around it with a pencil. Then I measured, shows 3/4 of an inch to this, so I just went 5/8 of an inch all the way around in, and then we'll cut that out so that this can sit flat and be screwed down with these holes right here. And then I'll take this out and the rubber will go inside, this goes back down and onto it. So that even if the ceramic tile floor and the concrete bed leaks, it will go into the drain. And then this, after we put this in and we sealed it around the edge, we'll put this in where we want it to be height-wise, which would be 2 inches. And everything will slope into this. All right? So here we go. I've already marked it. Now we got to cut it out.
And we'll come back.
Come back. Well, after discussion, we brought in the wheelchair that's going to go in here. It will just fit in with this bench that we built. So this was something we added on, and we've taken this cover off so that we can put the rubber into that, and then this goes back over it. So we'll show you that in just a minute, but we're going to run the rubber up all the way around and show you what we end up looking like.